let's say you came across this type of equation that we have on the whiteboard. So let's take a look at it together. Come closer. What is the main product formed when an alkene undergoes hydration in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, which we all know as sulfuric acid? If you came across this type of equation, I'm sure the majority of you will panic and pick the wrong answer. Don't panic, because let's see what we are going to have at the end of the video. Come closer. Alkene is a double bond. Are you with me? And the moment you hear that word hydration means addition of water to a compound. Are you with me now? That is plus water. Why in another case, if you came across it as dehydration, you have to remove water from that compound. But in that question, undergoes hydration in the presence of conc sulfuric acid, so that will act as a catalyst. Conc sulfuric acid will act as a catalyst. This is how you attempt any organic chemistry question you came across. You don't just jump into the question without you writing out what you are given. Now, at the product side, what are we going to see as a final product? We don't know it. But in the question, they said, what is the main product? Now, in this alkene, I'm going to pick the first member. And the first member of alkene is 18, which is this. Now, let's pick the molecular formula, which is C2H4 plus water. Now, I'm going to open this in this form by saying I have double bond, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this, plus water. The conc H2SO4, always put it. Please don't make that mistake. The conc H2, okay? If you don't get it, sir, this, let me write it for you. So we have this, or so we can have a clear picture of what we are saying. Conc H2SO4. Now, what is the main product? And this, we write it plus water. We have double bond, one hydrogen, the second one, this and this. So I have to clean it so you can have the clear picture of what I want to show you. Now, this water, we can have it as hydrogen ion and OH negative, because if you have to add these two together, we are going to have H2O. Now, this here is coming to what? To attack this carbon. That will give us this. Now, for the fact that this hydrogen is coming to this place, is going to turn this double bond to a single covalent bond, which we have. So, guys, this OH here will find itself to this place. So, in that case, you said we have OH, hydrogen, hydrogen. This will give us this particular thing you have here, the same thing as C2H5OH, which is ethanol. So, and ethanol is alcohol. You can see how I've demonstrated these weights you have on the board, the questions you have on the board, like this. So, guys, don't forget, alkene is this. Undergoes hydration, this, in the presence of sulfuric acid, which is a catalyst. Before we know that the answer is alcohol, you need to show this. So you'll be able to tell, okay, ethanol is a member of alcohol. That's the family of alkanone. That we have ethanol here. Are you with me now? So, guys, since we know that when the first member of alkene, which is 18, reacts with water in the presence of conc sulfuric acid, the product, let's say the main product, give us ethanol. So the main product from the question that when alkene undergoes hydration is alcohol. Let's take a look at the option. The first option A is the correct answer. So guys, this is how you attempt any organic chemistry question.